There are two kinds of counting, rote counting and meaningful counting. Rote counting is just saying the numbers in the correct order from memory. It's the same as memorizing the order of the letters in the alphabet. It's something that you just memorize. It's actually something that's important to do before you can do any meaningful counting. Meaningful counting is different though. If I'm counting out, say, spoons, I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've counted out 5 spoons, and the last number I've said is 5, and that tells me how many I have. If they're out already and I'm counting them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 spoons altogether. The important thing to remember here is something called the property of conservation, which is if I spread these spoons out, they do take up more physical space, but there's still only 5 spoons. That would seem kind of obvious to us as adults, but for a young child, often what they'll think is that there's actually more because they're spread out. If we count them again though, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 there. Same thing if we squeeze them together. How many now? Children who are learning to do meaningful counting might think there's less than 5. But again, if we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 5 altogether. One of the things we also have to watch out for is one-to-one correspondence. So every object gets one number. We don't count any objects more than once, and we also don't leave any out. So if we count each object once, then we'll know how many there are altogether.